We're now going to look at wave unload, and this is a really lovely stretch to do in the mornings, and it uses the whole of the body. So let's just set loaded beast. So we know how to get into our loaded beast. So the knees are flared, they're still an inch off the ground. A common mistake is where the knees are too high, and the hands have to be as far forward as possible, and there's a good reason for this. So Greg's just now going to demonstrate what the wave unload is. So the hips come straight up in the air, then the toes are up, then you roll spine by spine, you keep that chin tucked in, the body comes down, and the last thing is the head coming up. You then, to roll back, the chin comes in first, you roll up spine by spine, that hips come right up high, and then you come down to those knees being an inch off the ground and rest. And that is wave unload. If your hands aren't far enough forward, you'll find that you cannot get to that last position. So try to set them as far forward as possible. If you get stuck halfway, by all means move them. And could you just show an example of where your hands might not be too far forward, just so we can show. So if you're in loaded beast and your hands aren't far enough forward and you try and do the loaded beast, you're going to get stuck here and you can't come down. So what you could do is you can move your feet, move your arms forward to finish the move off. Lovely. And then tuck the chin in and back. It depends on your flexibility, but ideally you can see how long those arms are for doing the wave unload. Again, like all of the animal flow moves, experiment with the speed, so you can do it slowly going up and then fast coming back, or you can do it all slowly, or you can do 3 or 4 in a row fairly consistently. But make sure that chin stays in the whole time until the very end, and then the chin tucks in as the first move on the way back. So that's wave unload.